Welcome to a jam-packed day in Cairo. 7 a.m. The desert awakens as the sun rises over the Pyramids of Giza. Arriving early offers a chance to marvel at these ancient wonders before the crowds. 11 a.m. The Grand Egyptian Museum opens its doors to 12 main galleries, showcasing 15,000 artifacts from 700,000 BCE to the 4th century AD. While the King Tutankhamun collection remains under wraps, there's still plenty to explore. 1 p.m. Coptic Cairo reveals its rich Christian heritage. Visit the Hanging Church, perched above the Roman-era fortress of Babylon, and the Coptic Museum, filled with fascinating ancient iconography. 3 p.m. Time for lunch. Koshary, a delicious mix of pasta, rice, lentils, and spicy tomato sauce, awaits at Abou Tarek. Afterward, stroll to Tahrir Square for a peek at the original Egyptian museum. 5 p.m. As the heat fades, wander through Bab al-Fouda into the 11th century walled city. Moez Street, praised for its medieval architecture, offers a blend of history and shopping. 6 p.m. Dive into the vibrant el-Khalili souk. This bustling market is a treasure trove of unique finds, illuminated by the enchanting glow of dusk. 8 p.m. If time allows, visit Khayamiya, Cairo's last covered souk. Known for its artisans, this street showcases hand-sewn fabrics once used for tents and wall hangings. 10 p.m. Wind down with a nightcap. Choose from Naguib Mahfouz Café for a historical vibe, Horreya for a bohemian atmosphere, or the Ramses Hilton's Opia for stunning Nile views and classy cocktails. Cairo's rich tapestry of history, culture, and flavors awaits.